Everyone wants to be like the Kardashians these days. Don't believe it? According to recent data from the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, butt implants and lifts are the fastest growing types of plastic surgeries in the US, while facial procedures and breast implants are still the most popular. Between 2000 and 2015, the number of butt lifts increased 252%, from 1,356 to 4,767 procedures. Apparently, everyone wants big butts and they cannot lie. The report also showed that more than 40% of breast reductions are now performed on males. And of the 1.7 million procedures done in 2015, the top 5 were breast augmentation, liposuction, nose reshaping, eyelid surgery, and tummy tuck. Notably, it was the first year facelifts were no longer up there. The data also showed more breast cancer patients are undergoing breast reconstruction, giving women confidence after overcoming such an obstacle. Well, I guess now every girl is going to have a hard time finding jeans that fit. I'm Jordyn Rolling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.